Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline on the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will start your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like this when we put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord where we're giving daily signals there. Today also we enter in 3 trades today. 2 of them, one it's hitting the first take profit, is it in MQR, is a cryptocurrency. The second one is it FXS, it's very close to hit the first take profit, and the third one it's staying there. Even you can benefit from those things, my friend. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the Bitcoin today, it gave us here a green candle here. If we zoom it here and we see it here, look at it. Give us here a green candle here, but that green candle, it's like an inverted hammer here at that place here. And I tell it to you, I told you it's not yet, and also we're still waiting till we got a clear picture here in the daily. Here in the daily, I told you we got the downtrend here, that one here. It's need to be broken here for us to enter long. Till now we haven't break it here, so there is nothing yet. And me personally, I think if there is that major dump before the big pump, what's going to happen? It's going to happen a dump, guys, before the big pump. That's why me every time I told you put pending orders. When the weekly candle finished, I'm going to show you exactly where me are putting all the pending orders. If the Bitcoin drop that falling down, we go to buy. If it's not, when the Bitcoin jump upward here and breaking that line here, we're going to enter more long. I show you in yesterday video we got here that head and shoulder here like that, but till now we haven't breaking the neckline, and me I think there is a dump going to come, guys. I'm going to show you why and everything in that video, so make sure to watch everything. And today we got for you another thing here. We got the on-chain data. Let me show it to you. So let's go in there. As you see, guys, that the first indicator of the on-chain data, people they been with me here, they know me every week. I came to analyze it for you here. We been here, people they been with us, we been here, and also we been telling them, started buying. Look at the color now. Is it very dark blue here, like here, and like how it used to be here. That means us, we are very close to the bottom. That way me I told you win the weekly candle. I'm going to show you where me I got those pending orders, guys. So when that dump is going to happen, like how it happened here, we're going to buy. The dump is going to happen before the halving cycle started, guys. That dump, guys, is going to happen between October or November. So you need to remember those things. It's going to happen before the major pump. That way me I told you, get ready, guys. If you want exactly when to start buying, you can join us in Telegram and Discord. That's the first indicator, guys. The second one, let's see it. Second one is that one here. Also we've been talking about it every week. Is the funding rate here. Till now there is no spike of big wells like how it happened before here and here. Till now as we still here and over here at that level where we are now. What can we say? Both of them, they are equal there now. The sellers and the buyers, or bulls and bears, they are equal here. No one of them is winning at this time, and the market is very flat, and we don't know exactly if we are going to break up here. It means also we're going to go more higher, or we're going to see a dump. Till now also we're still waiting, and for long term there is nothing to be worried about. It's just buying and holding. I show people in my Telegram and my Discord how to hedge the risk. Even you can join us and you benefit from those things. Now let's go in to see the other indicator, guys. The other indicator, guys, is that one here. I've been analyzing it every week. That one here. I've been telling you about it. As you see it, that one, the color of it here in that zone here, it started as if we are here in that zone here. It started getting dark blue because us we are very close to the halving cycle, guys. And tomorrow we're going to analyze for you even the monthly candle, because the monthly candle is closed. And as you see here down here in that zone here, every time when that one here is below then that red line here, that one we're being in the bottom here in the Bitcoin, it's been at 15k. Also, we are the only YouTube channel we tell people to buy the day of FTX collapse. You can go back, just say the date and go back and searching for that video. Also, we are the only YouTube channel who give people signal to buy that day. So all of you make very nice profit with us. Me personally now, I bought Bitcoin from the top here and I bought it from 15k at this time. I'm not losing nothing. By the way, I am in profit now if I want to sell. As me, I'm not going to sell because that's our job, that's how we're growing up, that's how we're making wealthy people. If you want, you can join us. So everything is too clear, guys. Here now is going to analyze for you the Ethereum for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction, guys. Here, the one here today in the on-chain data, it happened a major inflow of Ethereum. That meant big whales descending Ethereum from the wallets of them to the exchanges. It's about $1.9 billion of Ethereum today. It sent from the wallet to the exchanges. Why? Because we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, and we just said in our Telegram and in our Discord. And now here in 4 hours, the Ethereum tried to give us here a double top, guys. Here like how it give us here that head and shoulder here down. Now the Ethereum give us here a double top. Till now it's not yet breaking the neckline. To see the double top exactly, you come here, look with me what I'm going to do. You change it from candles to lines like that, then we zoom in like that. What you see in here, look with me here, that the first, that the second, you got here a M, guys. You see it or not? A very clear M there. The neckline is it down here at that level here. You see it how clear it is? So do we enter short at this time? At this time, no, it's need to come to break down here the neckline for us to enter short, guys. That's it for that. No, we got something else for you here. We got that uptrend here, as you see it, that one here. If that one came down and breaking down here, we're going to enter more short, guys. So for the Ethereum, what shall we do? I told you, either we're going to break that supply and demand zone here and we're going to go more higher, or from that level where we are, the market is going to fall down and to break for us the neckline. Everything is too clear, guys. Here, let's see our indicator. What is it saying? Our indicator, I showed it to you yesterday here, and now here we got a divergence, guys. Fundamental, I told you there is big wealth descending Ethereum from their wallet to the exchanges to sell it. Here, technical analysis, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Ethereum, it gave us here a price action as you see it, and we got down here a divergence. Shall we enter short? If it's breaking down here, we're going to enter short, guys. When is it the right time to enter? You can join us in Telegram and Discord where we're giving daily signals there. Even you can benefit from those things, my friend. By the way, it's not expensive. It's only $10 per month, and believe me, within 1 month you're going to back that money. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours. Over here in the 4 hours in the Bitcoin, same thing like the Ethereum. It tried to give us here a double top in that level, guys. As you see it there, shall we enter short? Tell it to you yesterday. I told you we got here that uptrend here. If the Bitcoin fall down and break it down here, we're going to enter short. That's what me I told you in yesterday video. Till now, us we still waiting because majority of you didn't know Saturday and Sunday market being flat. Us we enter in other cryptocurrencies based on fundamental and technical analysis. We're making very nice profit, but Bitcoin we haven't entered in it. We still holding a short because the short us we hold it for long because we earning funding rate. Till now us we still waiting the Ethereum to fall down to break here or to break that neckline which is here for us to enter short more. At this time there is nothing, that only for the short. For the long, guys, look with me here what I'm going to show you. You see it or not? You got here a very big head and shoulder. Over here that the first shoulder, the head and the second shoulder. Should we enter long? Till now we haven't broken the neckline which is here like that. It needs to be broken here for us to enter more long. That's for the long. For the short, what you need to do, you came to the trend line here, that one here, and you wait in the market to come down to break it down to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator with it in. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also we touch here the overbought area. Until now we haven't touched the oversold area. That way me I told you there is a dump going to come. It's going to fall down till it will touching down here oversold area, and that it will be the right time to enter long before the major pump, guys. So till now Bitcoin is showing to us is it flat here, and also we're still waiting what the market is going to tell us. Till now we don't got no clear picture, and people they are with us, they know us we don't enter in the middle. Us we enter from here or from down here. Now us we are in the middle, and the Bitcoin is showing to us is going to stay sideways here till it will fall down to touch here. Us we still waiting till we got a clear picture. Now let's go into see our other indicator was 10. That one here, same thing. It touch here the overbought area. Price action here. I told you we got here the double top here, or that M as you see it there. But till now it hasn't broken the neckline down here. So there is no entry short. That's for the short. For the long, I just show you. It need the Bitcoin to come to break the trend line which is here. That means you're going to enter more long, because that one at the end of the day is just an indicator. Also we don't follow indicators. Also we base our trade on price action, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you watching me now, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. It will not take you that much, just 1 second from your time. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, I told you also we enter a short from here. The first take profit is being hit here. Some people I told them to close it if they don't want to hold it. You can ask them, but me my stop loss it's staying here at that place here, because till now the Bitcoin here in 30 minutes he tried to give me here a very big double top here as you see it, and that's what also we been talking about. But the Bitcoin is need to fall down till down here to break here for us to enter more short. Till now it doesn't done it, so as we still waiting. So now here what we got, we came to the tails of those candles like that as you see it. I started from that one here, that one here, and that one here. Not the top, the down here, you can make something like that. But me in the down, I'm not going to wait in to draw that trend line. Down here, I'm going to come to the tail or the peak of those candles here as you see them, and the tail of that candle here. And I'm going to draw there a square or a very stronger supply and demand zone like that as you see it. You see it or no? That price action me I got now. So now for me to enter short, it's need the Bitcoin to fall down, to break down here. That for the people they haven't short, people they enter with me short, they still holding. It hit for them the first take profit, the earning funding rate. Now even if it go up and hitting the stop loss here, you are not going to lose. Actually you're going to go out with some profit. So everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator was saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's coming here from overbought area. So technically you need to enter short now, but as I told you, it need to fall down to break down here that level here. It need the Bitcoin to fall down want to break here that level which is down here, exactly the level, it needs to be at 26,690. That in my broker, in your broker, I don't know how it's going to be, but you focus it about that till here, that where it needs to be the level you need to focus it about, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.